to order something, guys. Guys, it's a lazy Sunday for me. Today, wala lang. I slept all day and gumising ako hapon. I mean, I went on an OT whole night, and then slept all day, and now I mean the kids are bored, so we want to go to our hometown, check out my lola. I mean, I don't know, just hit the road, I guess, and then have an overnight somewhere. So anyway, my shift tomorrow will be at 10:30, so I think we can still do a lot. So come ride me. By the way, I'm testing I got a GoPro finally. I got this as bid for me, Dumaguete. This is a Hero 5, and I just bought accessories. I just received the accessories today from Shopee. So we're gonna test out some of the features, but I don't have the underwater case, so I can test out the underwater. I mean, I bought the wrong oh my gosh, I did not check my final purchase. I bought the wrong case, so nag-order pa, and then we're gonna test the, I don't know, maganda ba siya i-vlog, like road vlog. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay, ang may pila na dito. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go.
Okay. Welcome, guys. There's John Mark playing some motor. He's playing some car games. Usba.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free, you and me.
Guys, so I had the SD card error on my device, so what I did is I just bought this one, a Kingston 64 GB SD card, because I tried factory reset and format the SD card. It didn't work. So I purchased, I got a new SD card here at Quezano Interspace cool shop. I got the 64 GB for only 500 pesos. Very cheap, right? It's nice. So let's go.
In the great outdoors,